Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Got dark out, but we're in the 2021 BMW M4 competition. This is the non-X-Drive. This is the rear-wheel drive variant. It's a little windy and it's dark outside. So, I'm going to get my phone out, take a quick picture, and we will be on the way. So, look at that. You can hear the ocean in the background. You know that this is gonna be cool. See how that came out. Pretty darn cool. All right. Let's take this thing for a drive. Wow, steel brakes. Look at this spec, guys. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. But, all right. The M4 lit up on the seats. We are in Sport Plus everything. Manual mode. I doubt this thing will hook, but so you can tell this thing is a weapon. It is so fast. It is almost too fast for its own good. But on the flip side, it's pretty darn capable too. That got dicey. Man. This is just a phenomenal car. You know, I've spent time in these before, but I haven't spent time in a kind of performance sense. So to be able to drive this one and actually take some corners and see what this thing does dynamically, automatic is fantastic. this thing rips. But, you know, if I were to be driving an X-Drive, an X-Drive version, I'd probably have a bit more confidence. But as we sit here, this thing will bite you. You know, I'm in Sport Plus everything. But this car will absolutely bite. But a lot more so than I expected. This is very similar to driving my Hellcat, where that thing will just break loose whenever it wants to. This thing, you know, it's got better tires on it, but it still will break loose at any moment. It will break loose at a higher limit, but it will still break loose, and it will catch you off guard if you are not careful. I could definitely see some people putting these in trees. Matter of fact, people already have. So I can see why. This car is definitely one of the scarier cars I've driven, but it's very approachable. Whereas, you know, F12, that car's just terrifying. It's just terrifying because it is. There's nothing, and that car's just scary. It's not approachable, like, all right, you get to your limit, that's it. No, that car's just terrifying. This car is approachably terrifying because you can approach these limits. It's good, it's good, it's good, it's happy with you, and then it will snap. So this is a car that I'd want to take on a track with lots of runoff room to really start to figure out what this car can do. Because at this moment, this car on a road like this is just way too much car. Way too much car. Even the Evora was good. The Evora was fun on this road, but this car it's fun, but it's scary at the same time. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.